Okay, I just figured out something in ChatGPT that I think is kind of a game changer because I don't know about you guys, but I prefer projects a lot because I love the organization of projects. I like being able to see, like, it's like a little filing cabinets, right? So I use a lot of projects in ChatGPT. And so, there's always this conversation about like when and why to use projects versus GPTs, custom GPTs. You can now add custom GPTs, not even just ones you created. You can add custom GPTs to your project files and you can pull it in to the conversation. And I'm going to show you really quick because I think this is going to be a game changer. So, for those of you who have my custom GPT, Senior Sunday, if you're a high school senior photographer and you're using it for your marketing, you can now open your own project file, which is fantastic because you can open a project file. You can upload to that project file your brand Bible, your information, whatever you want. I'm going to kind of show you that in a second. And then you can pull in Senior Sunday to do its thing. So it's pretty awesome. So let's say you have a project file for content where you're just kind of, doing just your content in general. I really suggest you having different project files for different things, right? You can add your instructions here just like you would a GPT. And then you can also add your project files. This would be a great place to add your brand Bible, anything having to do with like who you are, what you do, specifics for chat to know about. But again, if you're using projects, you have memory turned on inside of your settings, it should remember all of that anyway. Okay. So it'll pull up now when you hit the @ sign, it should pull up all your GPTs, whether they're yours or other people's. You can link it and then you can put in your prompt. You still need to tell it what to do. The linked GPT. Let's see what it does. So it's pulling from my strategy docs, my client journey map, 2025 social trends. Obviously, you can give it parameters. You can give it SEO parameters. You can use the prompts that I have in Content Fuel to make this prompt better. But the cool thing that I just really wanted to show you is that you can add the GPTs that you have, whether they're yours or other people's, into your project files, which I think is going to be a game changer for us. Now, I will tell you that it's been slightly glitchy for me. Like right then it worked, but like earlier, I had to kind of like flip in and out of legacy model 4 back into 5 for it to work again. It might just be something because it's something that's fairly new and people are just like using it. So I'm just trying to use ChatGPT 5 as much as I can, even though people say it's been glitchy, because I want it to learn and I want it to like get better. And that's how we get it better, is that we all use it. So anyway, link your GPTs. If you have Senior Sunday, now you can link it inside a project file. And I am working on other custom GPTs for you guys that are not even just specifically related to senior photographers. I am working on one that's going to help you refine and go deeper into your why and your purpose. If you've worked with me in any sort of capacity in coaching, you know how much I harp on this. And so I want to create a GPT that's going to help you like when you're outside of me and my coaching container. I'm working on a lot of different things for custom GPTs. But even if you're creating your own GPTs, it will be super helpful for you to be able to pull them into your project files. And I think it's going to give us better results. So anyway, you guys have fun with that and let me know in the comments or hit me up on Instagram if you're using this and how you like it.